So in the USA, somebody like me cannot go to the court, has no access to the legal system. There are attempts on his life in the legal system, so he cannot get any relief. Nothing. If he's going to go to the court, then the security will bark at him. What are you doing here? We're going to arrest you. I will be happy to do that. Their happiness to arrest me and to stop me from what? From exercising my right to go to the court. So my life is in danger that I must denounce the U.S. citizenship. There's no question about it. I have to. So here, imagine American Online, their attorney. Who's their attorney? You know, who is their attorney? Their attorneys. I was writing to him, Mr. C. Colin Rushing, Wilmer, Cutler, and Pickering, 2445 M Street, Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20037. You know this? Big firm. Not just that. They imported a lawyer to face me in court. You see how layman I am? You see? They had to import a lawyer from outside their law office to face me in court. Because they know my experience. Why would they import a lawyer from outside? Why? Because I'm a layman, right? Layman means somebody who does not know the law. Anyhow, so the judge, as I told you, they give you continuous, no problem. They hit you at the end. They want to see what you have, what do you know. In this case, they want to know what would I do when I file, what information that I will file. So what I did, he gave me the extension, 1 month, and American Online they rejected. I mean they had objection to it, and they had to file a motion against their objection, or maybe they allowed. I don't recall. But anyhow, I got the extension of time, and then later they tell me that in his opinion, this T.S.E. Ellis, Senior T.S.E. Ellis, he said that the court was generous with me. They gave me continuous. Mr. T.S.E., in my case against my employer in the federal court, illegally, my employer, when the district judge told them that he's going to start the trial, even if they don't finish discoveries, you know what they did? They forged document, consent to proceed before a magistrate. You see, this is USA. So my lawyer signed a document to proceed before a magistrate judge. To do what? In order not to go to trial. The judge, for the third time, he told them, no more continuous. I will start the trial without your discovery. Judge Espen. What they did? He was the chief judge of the federal court. So what they did, they forged document. I mean, there's a consent to proceed before a magistrate judge. By law, according to the Constitution, I have to sign that consent. I never signed the consent. I had no knowledge of the case going before magistrate judge. I didn't know what is the magistrate judge then. So I became an expert when it comes to the magistrate judge issues. And this American Online case is going to go before a magistrate. So I know how to deal with the magistrate issues. They came to an expert in the magistrate issues. So in my lawsuit in Illinois, they took the case before a magistrate in order to get continuances. See, here in federal court in Virginia, they are telling me they are doing me a favor to give me one continuous. And in my case, against my employer in Illinois, you know how many continuances they got? 22 continuances. After Judge Espin said, no more continuances. Welcome to the USA. So they wiped their behind with Judge Espin order. They wiped their behind with my right for an Article 3 judge. And I didn't consent before the magistrate. So they got 22 continuances. They extended the case for 23 months. And this information goes all the way to the Supreme, I take it all the way to the Supreme Court of the United States. And the United States asked my employer, do you want to wait, do you want to respond, file a response to Noah's petition, or do you want to waive your right to file a response? He signed a paper, document, waiving his right to file a response. In spite of all that, what did I get? Denied. Welcome to the USA. You want to go to the USA? Is this the leader of the free world? Free from morale, free from law. Yes. So they do me a favor for giving me one extension. Anyhow, after the extension, when they gave me the extension, I filed. Remember I was saying about March 10, 2003? That I filed, what did I file? I filed response and motion to dismiss, defendant's motion to dismiss. See, I filed this one. How many pages? Where is it? 49 pages. You see? 49 pages. I filed response and motion to dismiss. So what did America Online do? You know those big law office? What did they do? I'm a layman, right? I'll teach them the law. Those traitors to the Constitution of the United States. And they imported a lawyer from outside the district to come and help them. You know, in the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, I have only 19 pages, 18 or 19 pages to file a response. So I filed 49 pages. Is this in violation of the federal rule for AOL Time Warner? Yes. The way you look at it, yes, it is in violation. That's the whole thing. They filed against this. They said this is more than 19 pages. You know, I have to teach them the law. I have to teach them the law. So I said, it is true. If I file a response, then it's only 19 pages, 18 pages. But I did not file a response. I did not file only a response. Look, what did I file? A response and motion. You see the keyword here? And motion to dismiss. And it says, plaintiff Saad Nawab proceeds the pro se and on behalf of the class move honorable court to dismiss defendant's motion to dismiss as a matter of law for defendant's failure to state a valid defense and that requires the dismissal of the plaintiff's complaint. And then I state and in support of his response and motion to dismiss, plaintiff states as follows. So I did not file only a response, I filed a motion. And there's no limit when you file a motion. You see, I have to teach them the law. I'm a layman, right? They try to throw these things on a layman. But they are throwing it on him, Allah, and he's teaching me. He gave me the opportunity to learn in order to defend his name, to defend the truth. And you see this truth on the Shiny Bright Rock YouTube channel.